brown bear counting from 1 to 10 is making money on YouTube, and I created it for free using AI. No animation skills, no paid software. And today, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. If you want to start a kids' YouTube channel, earn passive income, and prepare for YouTube monetization in 2026, make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'll show you the full process, from story creation to 3D animation, uploading, and monetization strategies. Everything I use today is beginner-friendly, AI-powered, and free, so stay with me. Before we start, quickly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment brown bear so YouTube pushes this video to more creators like you. If you're new here, my name is Mavumbi. Welcome to Easy Tutorials AI. Let's jump straight into how to create a kids' educational 3D animation video. The first step is creating a simple, fun, and educational story. For kids' videos, simplicity is key. Short sentences, repetition, friendly characters. Now let's go to ChatGPT. I gave him this prompt. Create a short kids educational script for a 3D animation video. Topic, counting numbers from 1 to 10. Main character, cute, friendly brown bear. Style, simple, fun, repetitive, colorful. Target age, 2 to 6 years old. Include narration and actions for each number. ChatGPT instantly gives you a full script, narration, actions, and counting flow. This saves hours of work. Step 2. Create 3D animation using Grok AI. Free. Now we have our story, which ChatGPT created for us. Next comes the magic part. Turning this story into a 3D animation using Grok AI. This tool is completely free and very beginner-friendly, so let's head over to Grok AI. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, this is what your dashboard will look like.
Yeah, okay, so this is where we're going to create all this image. We're going to create our video, and by the way, this is free. So here, that's where we come in to create here. Right, so I want to show you one thing here. I want to set you might come here. You usually it's just by default is video like this. So come here. I want you to change this one. Come to image, and then we need to change aspect ratio. If is you want long form video for YouTube, use this one 3:2, and if you want to do short video, you can use this one. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do long form video for YouTube, long video. Okay, so click this one. Once you click this one, everything is already set. And here now, we're going to come back here in ChatGPT. We're going to copy this prompt here, our face, because we want the image of this brown bear. Now come here, I'm going to paste this one here. Once you here click create, it's going to create in a few minutes. Usually take like 2 minutes. There, it creates very nice bears. Now you got all this image to choose from, so it's up to you really which one you want to use, which one you think is going to be nice for your video. I like this one. This one is nice. This one, yeah. This one is not. This one is not. Let me choose this one. This one is nice. Okay, so we're going to choose this one. Now I'm going to show you. You see here, you can choose the more here. I want to show you another thing here. You can turn it off, because usually automatic Grok AI, as soon as you put a prompt, they're going to create a video for you. Now, so come here, settings. Now come here, settings. You see your settings, and when you come here, behavior, here yours is going to be on, right? So I want you to turn it off. So turn it off. That means we're going to create a video the way we want, right? It's not going to be every time you put a prompt and they're going to create a video for you. So this is our bear. We're going to use this bear for all our video until the end. So now let's go back to ChatGPT here. I'm coming back here. I'm going to take the prompt again, which is the prompt I already asked for ChatGPT, because we want we want this bear to speak and so the kids, they can follow along. So this is dialogue prompt. So I'm going to copy all this one here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to paste this one here, and I'm going to click create. You're going to start to create for us, so give us a few minutes.
Today we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! Hi friends, I'm Brown Bear, and today we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go!
You see how nice it looks in our
I'm
video?
Brown Bear, and today
So let's stop this one here. Now we want to do the same bear. We want to do the consistent character. So I'm going to pull until the end here. I'm going to right click, and then I'm coming back here to a copy video frame. Okay, so I'm already copy this one. Now I'm coming back here. You see here, we're going to paste this image here. We're going back to our prompt for, we're going to start to count number 1. Okay, so let's come here. I'm going to copy all this prompt, and I'm going to paste this one here. Right now I'm going to click create. It's going to create another video for us. So let's give a few minutes and see what it does for us.
This is number 1. Look, one red balloon.
Right, this is our video. You look very nice.
This is number 1. Look, one red balloon.
Okay, so I'm going to pause this one here, and when you finish, you click this one. It's going to download. This video is going to be in your computer. Now let's pull this until the end, so we can create the second video. So come here, right click, go to copy video frame. I'm going to copy that. So you see here, there's nothing here, is empty. So come back, go back to imagine here, and we go to paste this one here. Once you paste this one here, we go back to our script, which is number 2. Okay, so I'm going to copy all this. I'm copying this one here. I'm coming back here. I'm pasting this. I'm doing the same. So I'll do the same thing until I finish all this see this prompt, all these scenes. So I'm going to do number 1 until I finish the 10. Number 10, I go 10 of them. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same, and once I finish this, I'm going to show you the next step. I'm going to show you, we're going to add all these clips one by one. We're going to edit them, we're going to put one, and you're going to have a one long video. So we're going to use CapCut to do that. That's the next step I'm going to show you. Let me show you this video. This is number 2 video here.
Number 2. Count with me. 1, 2 butterflies.
You see?
Step 3. Final editing. Now let's move to the final editing step. Open CapCut, where we'll put everything together and create the final video. You can download CapCut using the link below in the description. Once CapCut is open, this is what it looks like. Now upload all your clips, all the videos we created using Grok AI. Drag them onto the timeline and place them in the correct order. Next, add smooth transitions between each clip. Add background music and fun sound effects, but make sure the music is not louder than the voice. You can also add big, colorful numbers, bright text, and simple animations to make the video more engaging for kids. Once you're happy with everything, click Export to upload the video to your computer. And that's it. Your video is now ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. If you want me to show you how to set up your YouTube channel for better results and faster growth, comment Brown Bear below.
Hi friends, I'm Brown Bear, and today we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! This is number 1. Look, one red balloon. Number 2. Count with me. 1, 2 butterflies. Number 3. 1, 2, 3 apples. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 fish swimming. Number 5. Look at the 5 shiny stars. Number 6. 6 little ducks, quack quack. Number 7. 7 pretty flowers. Number 8. 8 yummy cakes. Number 9. Buzz buzz 9 bees.
Number 10. 10 balloons for a party.
Great job, friends! You counted from 1 to 10 with me. Give yourself a big clap. See you next time. Bye-bye.
If you start today, by 2026, you can have multiple kids' channels running on autopilot. AI is leveling the playing field. Everything I showed you today is free. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe, like, and comment AI Kids below. Thank you for watching.